Hello everyone. In this video we will see what is vibration motor. So vibration motor is kind of motor that produces the vibration if we provide the signal to the motor. So this vibration motor consisting of two wires. One wire is for signal, another wire is for ground. So once we provide the signal, this vibration motor will start vibrating. We can control the intensity of vibration by controlling the intensity of signal. So I hope you understood what is vibration motor and how to use it in your circuit. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.